Hey everyone, it's Davita with WTI, and this is my go-to beanie. I love it. Don't you love it? This is the FURTALK beanie in the color light coral. I want to get more of these beanies because number one, they're so comfortable, and number two, they keep you really, really warm, and number three, they're pretty cool looking. I think this is just adorable. It goes with so many different outfits, and as you can see, honestly, I think it would fit all different head sizes. I have a smaller head, I would say, and there's plenty of room here up at the top. I've even thrown this in the washer and the dryer, and it still looks great in my opinion. So I'm super happy with this. You can wear it different ways. If you want to wear it like longer, you can do that. And it's just super, super cute. So I would definitely recommend this beanie. It's my favorite, and that's my point of view.